Making Cookies, written and illustrated by Emily Wilson. Today I want to make cookies. The first thing to do when making cookies is to look at the recipe. Then I go through my cupboards and get all of the ingredients that I'm going to need to make my favorite chocolate chip cookies. I also need all of my cooking supplies like bowls, measuring cups, measuring spoons, and a mixer. The very first thing that the recipe tells me to do is preheat the oven to 350 degrees, so that's what I do. While the oven is preheating, I mix together the sugar, eggs, shortening, and butter with my electric mixer. Next, I pour in all of the dry ingredients such as flour, baking soda, and salt, and I mix them into the first mixture. This sometimes becomes very hard, but you just keep mixing. Here's what they all look like mixed together. The very final thing to add to the chocolate chip cookies are the chocolate chips. They are my favorite part. With a spoon, I put big globs of cookie dough on a cookie sheet. Make sure they aren't touching. Then I put my cookies into the oven and shut the door. The cookies need to stay in the oven for 10 minutes, so I set the timer for 10 minutes and wait until it starts to beep. Once the timer goes off, I get an oven mitt and carefully take the cookies out of the oven. I leave the cookies out for a few minutes so they can cool off. After they are cool enough to eat, I put all the cookies on a tray and pour myself a big glass of milk. Then I dunk my cookies in my milk and eat them one by one until they are all gone. Cookies are my favorite. This picture book was put together by Emily Wilson. Emily also took all of the pictures and made the cookies, which were delicious.